all are doing well. So in this video, I'm going to solve some equation, that is the linear equation in one variable. Okay, linear equation means the equation in which the variable has the degree as 1. Okay, and it is linear equation in one variable, so we have to use only one variable. And variable means those quantities whose value keeps on changing, like x, y, z, p, q, r, s. All these are variables, because in some equation the variable is something, then in another equation the value changes. Okay, so here we have to solve this equation. Solving a linear equation means we have to find the value of the variable present in that equation. Okay, so in this we have to solve x minus 1 upon 2 plus 2x minus 1 upon 4 is equal to x minus 1 upon 3 minus 2x minus 1 upon 6. Okay, so I have taken this question. There is one reason, because here it is minus sign. So basically what the kids do, they don't consider this minus sign. Okay, so while solving this equation I am going to tell you how. Okay, so first we have to take the LCM of 2 and 4. Here this is the left hand side, this is the right hand side. Okay, so 2 and 4, the LCM will be 4. Okay, so in 2's table 4 comes twice, so 2 will be multiplied in the numerator x minus 1 plus in 4's table 4 comes one time, so 1 will be multiplied with 2x minus 1. Okay, now what we are going to do, we are going to take the LCM of 3 and 6. Okay, so it will be 6. So in 3's table 6 comes twice, so we are going to multiply 2 in the numerator. Now as here it is the minus sign is given, so try to keep this quantity in the bracket. Okay, because when the bracket opens and here the minus sign is there, so the sign changes. Okay, so in 6 table the 6 comes around, so 1 will be multiplied in the numerator, 2x minus 1. Okay, now solve this. 2 into x, 2x minus 2 ones are 2 plus 1 is multiplied inside the bracket, so it will be 2x minus 1 as it is. Okay, equals 2 will be multiplied here also, so it will be 2x minus 2. Now here it is minus 1. Okay, so when the bracket opens, so minus 1 into 2x will be minus 2x, and minus minus will become plus 1 upon 6. Okay, try to reduce this equation to the simpler form. Now what we are going to do, we are going to add or subtract the like terms. Okay, we know that addition and subtraction can be done with the like terms only. So 2x and 2x are the like terms, so we can add here 2x plus 2x, that is equals 4x minus minus 2 minus 1 will become minus 3 upon 4 is equal to 2x minus 2x will get cancelled, so we will cancel it, and it will be minus 2 plus 1 will be minus 1 upon 6. Okay, now what we can do, we can take this 4 to the right hand side. Here it is divided, so as we know that when the side transfers, the division or operation of division becomes multiplication, the multiplication operation becomes the operation of division, the operation of subtraction changes to addition, and vice versa. Okay, so what will go to 4x minus 3, and this become minus 4 upon 6. Okay, now we can reduce it more, so 2 2s are 4 and 3 2s are 6. Now minus 3 is here. See, because we want to get the value of x here, so minus 3, it is a constant, so we will transfer it to the right hand side, and this will become 4x is equal to minus 2 upon 3 plus 3. Why plus 3? Because here it was minus 3, so it will become plus 3. now what we are going to take? Again, because they are the unlike fractions, so we have to take the LCM. So 3 and 1's LCM will be 3. So it will be 4x is equal to 3 and minus 2 plus, here 1 and 3's LCM will be 3 only. So 3 will be multiplied here. So it will become 3 3's are 9. Okay. Now 4x is equal to 9 minus 2 will become 7 upon 3. Okay. Now 4 is multiplied here. So when it comes here, it will become 3 into 4, that is 7 upon 12. So the LCM of the value of x is 7 upon 12. So I hope you understood. I will tell you the another how you can do this in another way. There is one method also. So here it is 2, 4 and here the denominators are 3 and 6. So what you can do is that you can take the LCM of the whole quantity. Okay, whole denominators 2, 4, 3, 6 LCM, you can take it together and you can solve this equation. In that way also you can get the answer. Okay, hope you understood this. Thank you so very much, and I am coming up with this video after such a long time. So those who have not subscribed yet, kindly subscribe the channel and don't forget to hit the like button. Thank you.